Hi students, it's Erin. Welcome to week 7. This is our second week in Unit 2, which is on arts institutions. And the readings you're going to be doing this week are about performing arts. So that's why I've included this picture. This was from a series called Ham for Ham, in which different actors and crew members from Hamilton would do special performances for audiences that were trying to get front seat tickets through a lottery. And so they would come out and do these performances. And then 11 of the people in the crowd would get picked by lottery to get a front row ticket. And then everybody else had to go home. So I thought this was an interesting way to start our discussion about arts institutions in terms of performing arts, because this particular method of handling a play like this has never really been done before. So I thought it was something interesting to bring up. Our work this week is going to focus specifically on starting to put together pieces of the essay and starting to kind of organize our ideas to figure out what we're going to write about. So let's take a quick look at Canvas and see what's going on. All right, so here's our work for week 7. Let's start by taking a look at the readings. During this week, you'll be assigned to watch this video, and you'll be reading a really important chapter from our textbook called Writing an Analysis of an Argument. This is basically your project for Essay 2, so it's really important to read the textbook thoroughly so that you can learn what it has to teach you about this process. Then after that, you're going to pick 2 of the assigned articles here. So the first one is about opera and how it can help us deal with death and dying. The second is about the musical Hamilton and how it grapples or fails to grapple with historical truths about the characters it depicts. And then the last is about the Latin Grammys and their struggle or inability to recognize reggaeton music. And I thought it would be important to have something that talks about awards, which is why I included the Latin Grammys here, because when we see awards, we get an idea of what insiders in the industry value. So it gives us an important peek into what the music industry is valuing. When we meet on Wednesday, we'll be taking a look at a checklist for evaluating arguments so that we can really think about what it is we're looking for in our Essay 2 project. And then we'll be doing a writing exercise. So all of these are designed to help you start gathering your ideas for this essay. And then in terms of homework, you'll be doing a topic proposal. You may remember from our first essay, I asked for just a very short proposal to get your ideas about what you plan to write about so that I can give you some feedback early in the writing process. And the same thing is true for this topic proposal. And the last is you'll have a discussion board example where you'll be evaluating one of the arguments in terms of the author's persona and their intended audience. So all of the assignments this week are designed to help you get your ideas together and do a better job on Essay 2. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm always happy to work with you either via text or email or during student hours, whatever works for you. Take care. Bye-bye.